Kabayan, gusto mo bang matikman ang pinakamasarap na tinapay in town? Blue Ribbon Bake Shop and Restaurant is now open, located at Filipino Market, Al Bata, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, in front of Saj Hypermarket. Blue Ribbon Bake Shop and Restaurant, basta sa taste, always the best. Saan naabot ang 23 reals mo? Blue Ribbon Budget Meal, 2 ulam, 1 rice, 1 soup, and 1 water. Blue Ribbon Budget Meal, hindi lang basta busog, busog na busog. Kabayan, naniniwala ka ba sa forever? Dito na tayo kung saan may forever. Hindi ka iiwan, hindi ka sasaktan. Blue Ribbon Budget Meal, laging may kapares for only 23 reals. Blue Ribbon Budget Meal, dito maniniwala ka sa forever. Good day mga kabayan! Gusto niyo ba ng mainit at masarap na pandesal? Dito na tayo sa Blue Ribbon Bake Shop and Restaurant. Available pandesal, 2 pieces, 1